So we have this Touch2O faucet for about 3 years, and now the magnet dock that holds the handle has rusted, expanded, and now the handle no longer docks into the body correctly. And today we're gonna fix that. So we got the parts from Delta. You should be able to get them for free if you call Delta's customer service and with your purchase information. So when I called Delta, they asked me where I bought it and when did I purchase it, what the model is, and that's about it. Then they will kind of open an account on the back end, and you give them your address, and then they'll ship it to you. Now, if you don't have that information, or if you do this for other people, you can't get it for free, then you might have to buy them online for about $30. You can do some research and hopefully you can get it cheaper. Now the kit consists of a installation handle. Now, although in the virtual spec, I think some standard tools will work just fine, such as a screwdriver and just your bare hands. Also, it comes with the kit are the 3 pieces of magnet. And in case you break the first one or the second one during the installation, or maybe you could just sell the rest when you're done, like how I got it on the first shot now, or maybe they expect the part to go back so fast that you need the second and third one. I don't know. And the installation, and also come with the kit is the installation instructions. Now, but you won't be needing that because you're watching me do it, right? So now let's start with the installation. So first we have to remove the old magnet, but before this you should make sure the water is turned off. Now pull out the handle and disengage the handle with the hose, and then let the hose retract back a little bit. On the installation tool, look for the side that's marked remove, and make sure that the lip faces yourself, and reach into the magnet socket and rotate the tool towards the back of the faucet away from you, and that should remove the magnet from the socket. Now this is a good chance to do some cleanup of the socket. Now I use a nylon brush to clean up the inside. Now there's a lot of rusty flakes that come off the faucet. Now this comes from the inside of the magnet ring and not the faucet itself, as it is stainless steel, so clean it up as much as you can. Whoa, I touched the body and the water turned on, so that's why you need to turn this off before you start. So now I have to spend extra time to do the cleanup and wipe it dry. Now here's another view of the magnet that's extracted. Now it looks like it's all puffed up and rusted, and flakes are coming off. Oh, ew. Now to install the magnet, turn the tool around and look for the grooved nub, and then place the magnet while letting the protrusion sit on the groove. If you turn around the faucet, you'll notice that now you have a hole in the back, and that's where the nub of the magnet will sit. Now with the tool holding the magnet, insert the magnet starting from the back. This ensures the nub catches onto the hole, and then rotate the tool towards yourself, and that should push the magnet into position. Now make sure the magnet sits flush with the body of the faucet. Okay, now we have to bring the hose back out. Hopefully it didn't retract itself too far back in the sink. Open up the cabinet below and push the hose back out. You may need another person catching it from the top, but I was able to handle both sides by myself. Then reinstall the handle of the hose and test the water flow and dock it back to the faucet. Now you have finished replacing the magnet on your Delta Touch2O faucet. Congratulations. And if this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more homemaking, DIY, and cooking videos. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.